happening, boss?
Hey.
What's up?
What's going on? Howdy.
What's up, buddy? What's going on? You want to just like serve up the camera a drink here?
Oh, absolutely.
That's good. That's good.
Some killer combos here. We got mimosas. We got grape and vodka. We got mango vodka. Mango.
Wear the hat.
No, don't wear the hat.
Don't wear the hat?
hat.
Hat looks worse?
No hat.
Okay.
Are we walking slow?
Yeah,
All right.
walking slow, smiling.
right.
When someone starts talking, kind of look at them.
Okay.
What's up, YPCI world?
Sorry.
Remind you guys about Indie Blend coming up next week.
That's right. This coming Tuesday, we're at, dang, that was so good. I forgot where we were going. For the annual YPCI golf outing supporting Pack Away Hunger.
Was I supposed to say the next line?
I thought you were supposed to.
Oh, yes. One more, Bryce. We got this.
And you're watching Disney Channel.
Jack and Kinsey here. Yeah. Where are we, Kinsey? Tell me now.
Hold on.
Lock it in.
Hold on.
Lock it in. We're doing this one more time. We're going to hit them all.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 2024 YPCI Annual Charity Golf.
This is our first event that we did with our pop-up tent last year, and every other event we did after that was kind of a bummer. They set the bar really high for us, and we were really looking forward to coming back out here this year, so we're excited to be here and ready to have a good day.
Good. It's great to be out here. Just had an espresso martini. They're doing pretty well.